I am out of work. I just listened to Joe Rogan's Plants Have Feelings, Plant Lives Matter video. It was funny. That was funny. Oh man. Hey. We were this way. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? To re-stick you. Re-stuck. I didn't know much about Joe Rogan. Like, I don't know, for my boyfriend or like Comedy Channel or something. But it's pretty funny. Plant lives matter and we're all interconnected, and the plants have feelings. The scientists are going to find out the plants have feelings too, because he was on mushrooms one time, and so he can kill animals because we're killing plants, and he called vegans like unhinged, and he obviously just doesn't get it. That guy needs to watch like Forks Over Knives and all that conspiracy to understand the whole deal that's going on here. Funny. I measured myself this morning and I gained 3/4 of an inch, which is more than I have been in over a month. So really gonna exercise tonight. I'll run the dogs if it's not raining. If it starts to rain, I'll lift some weights, but gotta do something. I'll keep you posted. I ate watermelon. I ate watermelon today. Oh, I double knotted my bag. I should have showed you this before I put it away. Let's see here. I bought 4 of these and I ate 3 of these watermelon. They're very good. Alright, I'll see you guys later. So Babe has the pond all tore up. It will be pretty when it is done. These guys need to be moved. How many laps do you want to do, Bean? How many laps? You want to do some laps? Yeah? Maybe? Here we go! Lap 1. Keep up! You wanna go all the way the long way around to get back home? You wanna go the long way around? We did 10 laps, it took us 25 minutes. Let's go the long way around. Like 3/4 of another lap. Alright, let's go, Babe. Come. I did it. I'm all sweaty. I'm gonna make a video about my kale chips. You wanna view my video? So try not to scream fuck real loud. So I don't like to waste food, and on a raw food diet, when food starts to go bad, you either have to eat it all right now or it's gonna go to waste. And one thing that I found that you can save just about anything with, I've done this with fruit, vegetables. This is what is left over from my salad last night. A lot of times I'll eat this at lunch, but this was a whole lot and it was really juicy and heavy, so I didn't have it for lunch. But it's green. Sorry. There's some kale greens. There's some iceberg lettuce in there still, but there's not a whole lot of lettuce left. It's mostly oranges and tomatoes and a bell pepper. There's some peas and some corn. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oranges, So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to blend this up and make kale chips. We all love kale chips. Alright. Grate in there, that will help. Alright, let her rip. I like to make sure it gets it really good and gets all the corn, because corn in the dehydrator just turns into these really hard things. So make sure that it... Alright, so I got my kale here. I'm just going to dump this. In there. So sometimes, depending on what the seasoning tastes like, I will add some of this if it's not very flavorful. This, however, has a lot of flavor in it already, so I'm not going to add any of that. I don't use this very often, but this is another alternative too if you want a little salty. This is Bragg's amino acids. It's, I believe it's soy ingredients, vegetable protein from non-GMO soybeans, and purified water. So this is a salty. It's a salty. But we got our juice in there. Do this. And I feel like I don't have enough juice on here. Maybe. Yeah, maybe it's just perfect. Alright. Spread it out on my dehydrator. What's wrong, Bean? Slider on it. Make sure I get all this. Just dump it all on there. And put it in there. And this will be an awesome midnight snack tonight. Might not quite be ready. Put it in there. Listen. Alright, so these are the last kale chips I made. They're almost gone. It was watermelon. Watermelon and ginger. I had too much watermelon and ginger to drink. I couldn't drink it all. So I put it on my kale chips. And I actually, this one I sprinkled some of that seasoning onto. And these are so good. They're sweet and seasoning-y. Alright, now we're going to make a salad for dinner.